Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Sincerely appreciate you joining me today for episode number 155, where I'm going to count the number of working days in a month by year. I have here a question sent in by Allison at the Quantrix forum. She said, I'm trying to create a formula that shows the number of working days in a month, the number of Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays in a particular month. Any suggestions on how to proceed? Well, this is how I would do it, Allison. Saudan also gave you an answer there on the forum. But what I would do is I would go out and I would have a basic model that had a kind of a dim dimension table in it, okay? And I'm pulling this from a database, and one of these days I'll show you a video on how I'm pulling this in via DataLink or whatever. But what I have here is I have a list of calendar dates, I have the day and the week, and then I have the calendar month, and then I also have the calendar year, okay? And what I want to do is I just want to isolate the date here by itself, so in order to do that, I go ahead and I say day of calendar date, okay? Nothing too fancy. But what I want to do is I want to get the count of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Fridays by month, by year. So how I do that is I'd go ahead and I'd create a data link here first. I'd select a two-dimensional matrix because I want to use DateDem as my source data. My column over here is the column I want to be using because I want to be pulling in information from these items. I'd click Next, and next I'm going to bring this in as a multi-dimensional table, and I'm going to then go and click Next. I'm going to clear all. I want to bring in calendar year, and I want that to be a category. I'll have that be sorted as Sunday. And then I want calendar day and week. And I'm going to have that be a category. I'm going to have that be sorted. I may change that. And then I want to get calendar month. And I think it's not calendar month number, it's calendar month like this. And I also want that to be a category. I'm going to go ahead and bring in date as an item, and then with that I want to have my date not be a sum, but rather I want it to be a counta. If I go ahead and I select remove previously imported and I select finish, what you can see is if I go ahead and I pivot my calendar day and week up to here, and I were to then go ahead and take, say, calendar year here, and then I were to sort these in the correct order, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday goes all the way over here, and then I get Tuesday and Wednesday, Monday in the correct order. Then what you can see is these are giving me the count of those days. Okay, for Monday, of Mondays in January, I have four Tuesdays, Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays. So again, if I wanted to get the total count of these working days, what I could then do is I could actually go ahead and say group these and call it working days. Okay, and then I could insert a summary item off of this, and it would give me the total of working days. So that's one methodology of how you could solve this problem. What about holidays? What do you do then? I will show you how to account for holidays in this type of scenario in my next video. So I hope you'll join me for that one. If you have any questions about Quantrix, I hope that you'll reach out to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com, that you'll follow me here on YouTube. I absolutely love Quantrix. I want to make you a Quantrix master. So please join me again for another episode of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez.